Why I created this channel. Frankly speaking, I am an introvert person and I am not comfortable to talking to anyone. I can't socialize easily. And about the language which I don't know, I am not comfortable to talking to someone that language. Yes, I talk about English, but current scenario, English is most important language and we can say the most important skill. So I want to learn it. In my past, I did many things to learning this language, but I stuck in the same situation. As you can see my past previous videos, I am not comfortable to speak English. I fumble and I have lack of confidence. I searched lots of video on YouTube regarding how to learn English, how to speak confidently. So I found there many English learners share their journey and they ask people help them, guide them, and they improve a lot. So I decided, why can't I do the same things? Same thing. I I make English learning. I created a channel and share my learning journey. Also help the people like me. So last year I created this channel to share my learning journey and I want people guide me, support me and know and let me know where I have to improve. How can I improve? YouTube gives YouTube gives us this wonderful platform where I share our thoughts without any judgment. No one will judge you, even people will support you. Whenever I had to decide to speak confidently, I didn't continue it. Sometime I quit the journey. Sometime I disappointed and I sometime I disappointed and I also quit that journey. Sometimes I don't know how to study, what topic I have to speak, how to write, which skill I have to improve first. I don't know what to listen. I, d- I didn't exactly know what to what to learn for this language. So this channel gave me exact idea what I have to do to learn this language. As you can see, I am sharing my learning journey. So I know what to do to improve my this skill. So now I know what how to listen English, how to read English, how to speak English, and even I also able to write in English. So overall, I created this channel for my for overall I created this channel for so you can say I created this channel to share my learning journey and help the people like me. In this mirror talk, I fumbled many times. I forgot some words and I also forgot what to speak. But I just take a pause and continue my speaking. This is my real and raw practice. And if you find any mistake, please tell me in the comment box how can I improve myself. So Thank you so much for listening. See you soon.